Welcome back, guys. So right now, since we've been able to post from Facebook here on Canva, that is, we were able to connect our Facebook accounts to Canva. So right now, I want to do the same for Instagram. So all you have to do is to have your Instagram logged in on this same browser. And right now, all I have to do is to share this post. I have the content right here. I saved the content right here. So let me get the content right away. So this is the Canva AI content that I saved, and I'm going to just Control A to highlight all. Then I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to come back here. So here is the design we've worked on, and I want to share it to Instagram right away. All I have to do is to click on this share button. I'll click on this, then I would come towards this. I'll say see all, and having to see all, I'll see social. So I'm going to share to Instagram right away. I'll be able to share to our Facebook page. So right now I want to share to Instagram, and all I have to do is to click on Instagram icon. Then it says how would you like to post to Instagram. Immediately post from the mobile app, schedule post from desktop. So let's immediately post it. So I'm going to continue right away and scan this QR code to download the app so you can share your designs in DM stories and more. So that is, and schedule from desktop. I think that's what I'll go for. So I'm going to say see all, and you'll see schedule from desktop. So let's do that instead of the personal. So I'm going to do this, and you'll see schedule from desktop. And right now we have to connect an account, and this I'm going to just say connect an Instagram account, and it's going to take me to where I'm going to log in. So this is more like Facebook, but it's Instagram I'm trying to connect to. So I'm going to just input everything I'm being directed to input right away, and I'll do that. So I'm going to continue right now and see how this goes. So we are going to have our Instagram connected to Canva directly, and that way we'll be able to post on Instagram. So I'm going to just, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say share. Since I've connected the Facebook, all I have to do is to say I want to connect. Yes, I want to connect this to Instagram. Okay, let me use this right here. Let me use this to connect the post to Instagram, and I'm opening two tabs right now. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the same method, but it's going to connect directly to my Instagram, since Instagram and Facebook are kind of connected, owned by the same company. And all I have to do is to just wait for this. Then I'm going to share. I'm going to share this. Then I'm going to share this. I'm going to say see all. Then I'm going to share to Instagram. Then I'm going to share to Instagram. I'll say schedule post on my desktop, and I'm going to continue right away. Then here you would see your, this is not an Instagram account, or it is my Instagram account. So all I have to do is to write the caption, and the caption is right here. Like I said, I copied it, and all I have to do is to paste it right now. So having to paste it, here we are, and we have ever wondered, yes, ever wondered how you can take your brand's visual content to the next level without breaking and everything looks intact. Then we are going to add the hashtag lad creative, of course, and that way we'll be able to post this particular post on Instagram, and we can do that for other pages too right here from Canva. So all I have to do is to say publish now, and it's going to publish this right away. So that is how to publish a post from your Canva after you've designed. All you can do is to publish directly from Canva, and this way you'll be able to achieve that. As you could see, we just posted on Instagram, and all we have to do is to check out the post. Having to check out the post, you'll see what the post looks like. So I'm going to try to check out the post, and let's see what Canva has done for us. So we posted all the way from Canva, and here's design looking great. Here's our Instagram page, and right now it has been posted on Instagram directly from Canva. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.